In this video, I'm going to explain how to delete unsubscribed contacts in AWeber. Over time, your lists may accumulate people who have unsubscribed, cluttering your database and potentially impacting your plans. Removing these contacts helps keep your lists clean and organized. To get started, log into your AWeber account and head over to your dashboard. From the menu on the left side of your screen, click on Subscribers. Here, you'll see all the contacts who are subscribed to you, including those who are still active and those who have unsubscribed. On the left side under the Filters section, look for the option labeled Unsubscribed and click on it. This will display all the people who have unsubscribed from your lists. You can individually select these contacts by checking their boxes, or if you prefer, check the box at the top of the list to select all at once. Once you've made your selection, click on the Actions drop-down and then choose Delete. AWeber will ask you to confirm your choice. Simply click Delete again, and those unsubscribed contacts will be permanently removed from your account. That's how easy it is to delete unsubscribes or unsubscribed contacts in AWeber.